Hello class! Today we're going to be learning about the plus sign. I am going to be reading a book to you guys and we're going to go over some terms. The terms, when I do read them to you, I do want you to write them out and also write the definition. And then I'm going to go over the homework that I am going to be assigning to you. I am going to go over some examples, so then that way when you do get to the homework you are able to know how to solve the problems. Okay, so here we go. So today's lesson plan is going to be about if you were a plus sign. Our objective is for you guys to be able to make your own number story and use one of the methods that I am teaching you right now. The common core standards that we are going to be using are these two. These are the vocabulary words that we are going to be learning and that I do want you to learn. The first one is add, which is to find a sum of two or more numbers. Addition, the act of adding numbers together. Plus sign, a symbol used to show addition. Sum, the number you get when you add two or more numbers together. Symbol, a sign that stands for something else. So to begin, I am going to be reading the story to you, okay? Hello class, I'm going to be starting to read the book. But before we start, I wanted to go over some vocabulary that we are going to be learning and that we are going to be hearing in the story. We're going to go over the words that we went over on the board previously. And when I'm reading the story, I want you to pay attention and make sure that we are listening to see if we hear the words. The first word that we're going to be listening for is add. Add, to find the sum of two or more numbers. Addition, the act of adding numbers together. Plus sign, a symbol used to show addition. Sum, the number you get when you add two or more numbers together. Symbol, a sign that stands for something else. So today, like I said, we are going to be reading our story, If You Were a Plus Sign. As we can see in the front, it does have different animals and in the back as well. So students, from looking at the book and from the words that we have reviewed, what do you guys think that today we're going to be learning about? Okay, thank you. If You Were a Plus Sign by Trisha Speed Shaskin, illustrated by Francesca Carabelli. You would help add things together. Ida plus Ike equals true love. They make a family of two. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ida and Ike have a cub called Ina. They make a family of 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Ida, Ike, and Ina love pets. They have 2 seals. They make a family of 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. If you were a plus sign, you would be a symbol used to show addition. You would be part of an addition problem. Selma juggles 5 red balls plus 2 green balls. That's a total of 7 balls. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Trig jumps through 4 blue hoops plus 4 purple hoops. That's a total of 8 hoops. 4 plus 4 equals 8. If you were a plus sign, you would be used like the word and. Doodle gives Pluck 3 daisies and 6 roses. 3 and 6 equals 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. Pluck gives Doodle 1 valentine and 8 chocolates. 1 and 8 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. If you were a plus sign, you would help make a sum. The sum is the total of 2 or more numbers. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 bulldogs met 5 tigers to play basketball at the park. They made a sum of 10 players. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 bulldogs plus 6 tigers showed up to cheer them on. They made a sum of 12 cheerleaders. 6 plus 6 equals 12. If you were a plus sign, you could work from left to right or top to bottom. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Spotty cooks 4 blueberry pancakes for herself and 3 plain pancakes for Dottie. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Spotty stacks the 3 plain pancakes, the 4 blueberry pancakes on a plate. 3 plus 4 equals 7. If you were a plus sign, you could add any order and still get the same sum. A frightened frog leaps across 4 lily pads and then bounces onto 2 or more lily pads. He jumps on 6 lily pads altogether. 4 plus 2 equals 6. A frightened frog leaps across 2 lily pads and then bounces onto 4 more lily pads. He jumps on 6 lily pads altogether. 2 plus 4 equals 6. If you were a plus sign, you could add any amount of numbers. You could add 2, 3, 4, or more. You would get the same sum no matter how the numbers were arranged. 5 elephants plus 4 hippos plus 3 rhinos equals 12 to show animals. 5 plus 4 plus 3 equals 12. 5 elephants plus 3 rhinos plus 4 hippos equals 12, show animals. If you were a plus sign, you could help solve story problems. Cherry juggles 5 red balls. She adds 3 green balls and 2 orange balls. How many balls does Cherry juggle in all? Who can guess how many balls he can carry? So now that I have read the book to you, now I'm going to be reviewing some math problems with you. The first one is 5 plus 3 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This equals 8. Now we'll be solving the next one. So 4 plus 3 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next one is 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, which equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 1, 2, and 3. That equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The last one is 1, 2, plus 1 and 2, which equals 1, 2, 3, and 4. So class, now that we have reviewed adding and how to get to the sum, you're gonna for homework, what you're gonna be doing is doing this next worksheet, and these are the answers, but sorry about that, class. But this is going to be your homework, one of the pieces to your homework for tonight. I want you to review it. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be more than glad to help you. And then the second piece to your homework, it's going to be that you're going to be making your own book. If you were A+ sign, and you are going to be doing your at least five of your own addition facts. Okay? So I look forward to hearing to see how everything went, and tomorrow we are going to be reviewing it as a